Smooth seas never produced good sailors. The sea in question, being smooth, is the sea which has no storm. So a rough sea would be the one which is stormy. But in real context, smooth sea here means peaceful conditions, smooth conditions, happy moments, easy life, silver plates in life. While the rough sea would mean difficult conditions, harsh conditions, struggles, oppression, and the rest. So, here, if you keep experiencing only good things in your life, then you will get no experience of the bad ones. So if one day the bad things happen in your life, you will have no experience to handle those bad ones. Just like the sea which is stormy, if you sail on a sea without storm, the day you meet the sea with storms, or the day storm come across your sea, you will not be able to overcome the storms because you don't have experience to handle it. It is directly in life also. So the bottom line here is experience and lack of experience. Because eagles don't take flight lessons from chicken. Eagles cannot come and ask chickens, how can I fly? They take flight lessons from their fellow eagles. So if you don't know how to handle a situation, you won't know the outcome. It can be a bigger failure. Life is very skeptical, and it's a cycle. Most of us human beings, we believe in easy thing, but we need to train our mind, body, and all other parts to be ready for future circumstances or bad situations. In any case, it is better to be a warrior in the garden than to be a gardener during war. It is better to be a warrior in the garden than to be a gardener during war. That one means it is better for you to have the experience and the training of bad things and how to handle them than for you to start enjoying things without having the experience of the bad one. That's why even if you are like what, you are always never strong. You are not strong until you have gone through difficult situations. There is no strong person with an easy past in life. All the strong people have difficult past. Those who claim to be having easy past are not strong people. They might be lucky people, like those who inherited royal leadership, those who inherit wealth from their parents, and they're not strong people. They're just lucky. They've not earned what they're enjoying in life. if somebody overcomes, if a sailor overcomes rough sea, that sailor is able now to be called a strong person. It is like our body. A body full of enjoyment will become a weak body. But a body that exposes itself to hardship, like doing exercise, becomes a strong body. To somebody who believes that training or doing exercise is painful, the person later on develops big stomach. I'm sorry if you have. The person develops a lot of fats in the body. And finally, the person becomes weak physically and also health-wise, because the immune system will be too weak. So the true strength is in exposing yourself to difficulty. Is exposing your mind to difficult contemplation. It is exposing your innermost self to a training of adaptation of hardship. Difficult experience learned is like a human being which has adapted to live in a new environment, or an organism which has adapted to live in a new environment. It will live without any problem, unlike those ones which are not yet adapted. Everybody wants to succeed in life, but people always keep the experience part of life. If you choose to get the experience, you have got everything. The pain that comes in life, failures that comes in life, are all important in the other way around. They're important in the sense that much as you have failed, much as you have gone through pain, much as you have been humiliated, abused, insulted, criticized, much as you lost your money, much as you lost respect, much as you were defeated, much as you cried and you shed tears, the fact remains that there is a lesson for you to learn. It is just like, if I'm to take example from football, if we look at club like Manchester City, for years Manchester City has been said to have been cursed never to lift Champions League by Yaya Toure. But Manchester City lifted it in 2023, passing through difficult teams like Bayern Munich, Real Madrid, because they had previously been defeated by those kind of giant teams, like losing to semi-final in the hands of Real Madrid, losing to Chelsea in the final, being knocked out by Tottenham Hotspur in the semi-final, being knocked out by Liverpool in the quarter-final. If Manchester City had given up, Manchester City would have not taken any experience. So bad or good, experience is always good. Always take the experience. Even if the situation is difficult, even if what you're going through is hard, just remember one thing: smooth seas don't produce the best sailors, but it is the rough ones. Thank you for watching the Rastaman's Corner with me, Mark O'Brien. As a Rastaman, that's my message in this video. Thanks, bye-bye, and subscribe.